Today we're going to make umbrellas and rainbows. You're going to start with a white crayon, and you want your paper to be shower, so nice and tall. You're going to start with your white crayon drawing a horizon line, and a horizon line is the line that divides the sky from the land. So I'm just going to draw a straight line with my white crayon across my paper. Now you want to have all the colors of the rainbow. So I'm going to draw a rainbow, or half of a rainbow here, going off of my paper. So I'm going to start with my red, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then off my paper. You can make that line thicker and then color it in. Then orange comes after red. Then yellow. Green. Blue. And violet. And you can go ahead and color all of those in. I'm going to do just a very quick coloring job. You can spend more time coloring in all of the white spaces. This next part, you're going to draw an umbrella, and you're going to want to do that right next to your rainbow over here. So to draw an umbrella, you can choose whatever color you like. I'm going to use purple. You're going to make a bump like this, and then along the bottom, all you're going to do is you're going to do like a bump and come to a point, bump, come to a point, bump, come to a point, bump, come to that point then. So it's like a bumpy line. Alright, and then you can draw that part of your umbrella, your handle. Now, you need someone to hold your umbrella. So, you can draw a picture of yourself or someone in your family if you like, or if you looked at the document, they actually, for this project, cut out a picture of themselves. Don't cut out a picture unless you ask a parent for permission, but if that's something you want to do with your parents, you may do that. I'm just going to draw a picture of a person holding the umbrella, and I'm just going to do a little purple person too. So I'm going to do a head, and they're going to be holding that umbrella. So I'm going to start, I'm going to bring a line down and then kind of up like a check mark. So they're holding it. And then this hand is going to come down into the side. My person's going to be wearing a dress. I'm going to do a triangle. And then I want my person to be wearing rain boots because it's going to be raining in our picture. So I'm going to draw some yellow rain boots. I'm going to color those in. And I'm going to make my dress red. I'm going to add some hair. And of course, a smile. Alright, and then you can color your umbrella however you want. Also, I'm going to make mine a polka dot umbrella. And then it's also going to be green. Now this next part is the fun part. You're going to use your white crayon again, and we're going to draw puddles below our horizon line and rain above our horizon line. So for my puddles, you're not going to be able to see if I do it with my white crayon, so I'm going to use a blue one just so you can see. But with your white crayon, you're going to do one of those spiral lines, and you're going to do them all over down here. So you can make some big ones, you can make some really tiny ones, like they're way back in the distance. And then I'm going to add a rain. Now your rain can be vertical or it can be horizontal, but you want a dashed line or a broken line. I'm going to do a diagonal dashed line, and I'm going to go all the way on my paper like this. Through my rainbow, through my puddles, all the way through. And remember, this is with your white crayon, not your blue. I'm just using blue so you can see. I'll use blue here and then I'll use white here so you can see what happens after we paint. Okay, the other thing you are going to need is watercolor. So, what we'll do is you're going to use purple and blue, and you can use black also, watercolors. And all you're going to do is you're going to take those colors and you're just going to paint right over the top of your crayon. And when you use the white crayon, what you'll see is that crayon will shine right through that watercolor. And you can paint over all your rainbow, your rain, your umbrella, your person, everything you can paint right over the top of it. And you'll be able to see it. And if you want to make it look a little more stormy, you can add some black in there and some blue and mix it all together.